everybody, it's Allison with Doodlebug Design. I just wanted to share with you and show you our new pumpkin party line. It's kind of the theme for our booth here at this show. So it's just a really fun collection where it's got lots of really great prints and colors that are bright and just kind of get you in that party mode, especially for Halloween. We have our icon sticker here. You can see it has all of our little iconic characters. Our odds and ends pack up there and our chit chat have become one of our most popular embellishments. The value is really great because I think you get nearly 100 pieces in each pack, so you can make so many different projects. Alright, so we have this is our 12 by 12 paper pack. So it's one each of all 11 papers, and then also a this and that sticker, which is this one right here, comes in that pack. So you can either get this sticker in the pack or just by itself. We have our new washi tapes, and then these eyes are perfect to go on anything. You can put them as pumpkin eyes, or just on any of the little creatures, or any of your other projects, just kind of even spooky eyes in the woods. And then we have our candy corn. Alright, so we have this is our essentials kit. So it comes with usually about 5 papers, and then a couple of stickers, and then some coordinating embellishments. It's a great way to kind of get a little bit of everything that goes with the collection to get you started on your projects. This is our petite print pack. So these are some of our different petite prints that we have, and they're all coordinating colors, so they're going to match the collection, which is really nice if you just want some coordinating pieces to just grab and go so you can do your projects. This is our new pin. It's a little black cat. His name is Midnight. And then these are our other Halloween pins that we have. And this is our mini icon sheet, so anybody that's into planners or calendars, these are fantastic. There's 2 different sheets, and they're just the perfect size to put on, in your planners. I use these all the time for different things. We've got our card bases and envelopes in a coordinating pack, so if you want to make some Halloween invitations or some, just boo to you or your bootiful cards for somebody, these are perfect and they'll coordinate and match with the line as well. And we have our spiders cute clips, some twine, some buttons, and also our mini clothespins. And these are our new jelly clips, which are again perfect for planners or just really any project that you have. And then this is our 6x6 pad, which the 6x6 designs are actually shrunk 50% of the actual size of the papers. So you're going to get those really teeny prints and elements for any of your projects. So this is our pumpkin party. Hope you guys will join us. Just wanted to share with you our Daily Doodles planners. We're getting closer and closer to having them in your hands. So this is what the actual planners look like. We've gone through and made sure that the quality is just top-notch and perfect. So we've got the 4 pockets here, and then the large front pocket, 4 strings, and then another pocket here, and also right here where you can put any lists that you have or in another book. And each one of the planners comes with a blank. This one has grid in it because it's a prototype, but it'll have a blank booklet in here as well. But the quality is amazing in them. This is what they will look like in the packaging. We've got packaging for them now, and we're super excited because these are going to start shipping next month. So they're coming very soon. And each collection has a coordinating calendar insert that you can purchase. Also, this pack, it kind of shows you what it looks like here, but this pack would come with a dot grid and a grid booklet, and then this one comes with 2 of each. So it has everything that you need for all your traveling adventures, and every day is an adventure. So anyways, I hope you guys will look out for our Daily Doodles planners. This is our new Christmas Town collection. So this is our holiday collection this year, and as you can see, it just has a lot of different fun elements with snow flurries and just a really nice, cute village feel. Some of my favorites, of course I love our icon sticker, but these are my ultimate favorite. These are our odds and ends and chit chat packs. They've got tons of pieces, so you have everything that you need to do any sort of project. Another one of my favorites is over here. I love the Doodlepops. They are one of my most favorite embellishments. And what's really nice about this collection is we've put an element of craft in it. So it kind of gives it that a little bit of rustic type feel, but it's still very Doodlebug, very whimsical, which I love. And then over here, my favorite, it's so tough, but I would say probably the 6x6 pad I love because it shrinks all the patterns down 50%. And then I love our jelly clips, perfect for planners. And then I love the mini icons as well, just because I love all the cute little characters in that. So it makes it really, really fun and lots of things to do all your holiday projects. So I hope you enjoy.